create a contact, where the contact profile is, the notes section, all the activity. HubSpot one-on-one training. HubSpot one-on-one training. It's going to be super easy, super simple. Really going to show you how to add a lead. I'm going to show you how to take notes on a lead, and I'm going to show you how to log a call. So this is the first thing. When you log into HubSpot, you're going to see two different things. You're either going to see the dashboard, and it's going to look similar to this, where you're going to have different activity going on. And then you're going to see the top menu bar here. And the two things you want to know is you want to know the top menu bar, you're going to know contacts. I'm going to show you to add a contact. Very simple. This is all your contacts here. But if you want to create a contact, right here in the top right corner, you create contact. You add their email, you add their name, last name, and you can start adding different information about them. If you got their phone number, their email, all that stuff that's highlighted. And you can enter membership notes, phone number, mobile number, they're married or not. SDR status, are they new, what industry they are in, their annual revenue, monthly income. If you have this information, fill this out to the best of your ability. If you don't have it, don't worry about it, just leave it blank and then click create contact. You'll then see the contact in your section. With these contacts, I'm actually going to create a task for you. I'm assigning you contacts here, and I'm going to show you how to work those contacts, how to log a call on the contacts, how to keep notes on the contacts. Some of these calls, some of these people are going to be, just scheduled, this person just scheduled coffee with Zach. Okay. In the membership notes, it tells you this guy just scheduled a call with coffee with Zach. So this guy, we'll click on the name, and you'll kind of see in here notes, and you'll see activity. And we're going to use those notes and use that activity basically to create an appointment. We went over in HubSpot, we went over how to create a contact, where the contact profile is, the notes section, all the activity. Now look, anytime you call somebody or email somebody or text them, you log the call, log the email. And it's very important that you log your activity, because this helps us understand where we are in numbers. And I'll show you that in the dashboard later, but you're going to log the activity by clicking log call, log email, log meeting. And there's two things that are going to happen when you log this call. You log the call and you create a follow-up task. Two very important things. So you log the call. What's the outcome of the call? I'm going to say no answer, or I'm going to say connected, or I'm going to say left voicemail. And if there's something you want to put in the details, you can describe it there, but you don't have to describe it there unless you're in the connected section. And then you just be like, sent this email, or sent this type of email, or sent webinar, or scheduled appointment. You just write something simple, just one line, a couple words, nothing major. Then you do the second major thing that needs to happen. The second very, very important thing. You log the call. See this checkbox right here? It says create a task to follow up. You got to do this, okay? You create a task to follow up, and you choose when you're going to follow up. 3 days, a week from now, a month from now, whenever, okay? You determine when it's the best time for you. And then you log the activity, and you click the log activity button. So how do you know when you need to call your contacts? And it's the task button. So we talked about contacts. Now let's talk about the sales task. So you click sales in the menu bar. Third one down is tasks. Now you should see all the tasks that are assigned to you. If it's in red, that means it's past you or you need to call it. So you click on the task, and it shows you the information about this client. You'll notice the tasks that are overdue, because it'll identify, hey, oh, this one needs to be called. And then when I'm in the client contacts, see how it says task here overdue? I'm going to make sure I check that off once I call them. So I check that off, and then I log the call, and then create a follow-up task. Here's why that's important. Is because when we look at the chart here, I'm in the dashboard. I click the logo. It takes me to the main dashboard. I can see quarterly calls, weekly calls, stuff. So that's why it's important to log the calls, log all the activity. Hi, I'm Zachary D'Amato, founder of a2z123Marketing.com. Thank you so much for watching these videos. If you like them, please give me a thumbs up.
Subscribe to our channel so you can get notifications when we publish more content that can help you grow your business. Now, if you're in the boot camp, please make sure you schedule a call with me and my team. That way we can help you execute on the ideas that we just went over, walking you through step by step so you can have success in your business. Remember, repetition is the mother of learning, but the father is action. And I want to help you take action, massive action, so you can live the life you were meant to live.